repaired on the modified spider. Their behavior is more aggressive than before. Their size are increased, and to finish, their reflexes are stronger than before. Report of analysis subject 1. Windows was injected into the body. Apparently they are not effective, but the subject fell into a coma. Report analysis subject 2. The subject 2 received 2 injections. His skin turned blue. An error of teeth has led. The subject is apparently in final test. He is very stronger than before. He had very long teeth. And his eyes become red? What the fuck?! To the dangerousness of experiment conduct to date an armory for the safety of all. The code for the door is H23G9. As request has transferred the 2 subjects complete in the room 4. I don't know if this is a good solution because the windows are not as thick as it appears and the subjects seem more lively. They seem well enough to do damage. So listen to me carefully. You have to take all mans that you can find and place them in my entrance office. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but it's a very big mess. I need you to watch my entrance office. Something going wrong.
Alright, I'm on my way.